Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this Friday morning with the Coffee with Craig show. And we'll jump to Winston Norman, our editor-in-chief, to talk about the headlines in the news today.
Thanks, Craig.
Hey,
Today we've got a Slovakian developer, Corvin, which is launching an interesting new green project in Ljubljana. And Imma Finance has reported a healthy net profit for 2022. CTP has been busy buying up industrial parks in Romania, and the Marriott is to open a 4 Points by Sheraton in Budapest this summer.
Oh, wow. So a lot coming up. Well, it'll be very interesting to hear about all the details of this news. We're here Friday back in Warsaw, in our Warsaw studios, working on the final bits for our SEE Real Estate Awards taking place next week on Thursday, April 6th in Bucharest, Romania. So if you're going to be in Bucharest or you're not sure if you're going to be there or not, now's the time to book the flights, book the hotel, and come see us at the Radisson. You can check out our website at seerealestateawards.com to book tickets or just write to us directly. So we'll take a little break and we'll come right back with Winston Norman and the news. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the 18th Annual Europa Property SEE Real Estate Awards taking place April 6th at the Radisson Blu Hotel in Bucharest, Romania. If you've not yet booked your tickets, corporate table, or sponsorship, now is the best time to do it. We have over 200 of the most active commercial real estate professionals attending, with over 40% of them flying in for the event. Then in the evening, we kick off the awards with opening cocktails and 5-star dinner and awards ceremony, then late night networking and celebration. So here we are back, ready for the news and weekend ready. You ready, Winston?
Yes, I'm ready. Thanks, Craig.
Yeah.
So we'll start off in Slovenia, and Corvin has broken ground on the Villa Haria project, which is a €100 million office complex, which they're building next to the train station there on a brownfield site. And it's going to be a 5-story building that spans nearly 40,000 square meters, and it's scheduled for completion in 2025. And according to Jan Jazbek, he's the project management consultant for Corvin Slovenia, and he says Villarreal aims to join 10 carbon neutral buildings in the world with the LEED Zero certificate. We want to provide upscale offices that combine innovative technology and efficient energy use. So the ESG principle being used in Slovenia.
Yeah, big project. Wow.
Huge, massive project. And it'd be interesting to get some more information on that one going forwards.
Sounds great.
Moving to Imma Finance, and they've delivered a very good operating performance for 2022 in spite of the challenging market environment. And the group recorded a net profit of €142 million. And some of the highlights include rental income increased by 5.4% to just over €300 million, and the portfolio grew by 62% to €8.4 billion due to the acquisition of SMO and the acquisition of some retail properties. And the proceeds from successful property sales will be used to repay debt and being reinvested in real estate. So still a lot of confidence in their core projects there. And according to Radka Doring, she's the executive chairwoman of Imma Finance, the quality of our properties and steady rental income again proved to be stable pillars in a volatile environment. And moving to Romania, and in the industrial industry, CTP has acquired 3 industrial parks from FM Logistics, and the newly acquired parks are in Bucharest, Piețe, and Timișoara, and they span over 100,000 square meters. And following the transaction, FM Logistics will stay as the tenant for the long term of CTP. And according to CTP, they say that they are kicking off a strategic alliance with a highly professional and specialized logistics operator who have been present in the Romanian market for 20 years.
Wow, so a lot going on there, and with CTP, huh?
Yeah, Romania, there's, on the logistics side, there is a lot of development going on, but I think in Romania, especially these days, they seem to be just lagging behind everyone else a little bit. So maybe there's a bit more of demand there.
Right.
And finally for today, and in Budapest, in June, the first 4 Points by Sheraton Budapest Danube Hotel is set to open in the heart of the 13th district. Ascent Hotel Management will operate the hotel as part of a multifunctional real estate development, including residential and commercial spaces. And according to Peter Kedek. He's Deputy Manager, Director at Ascent Hotel Management. He says, we are honoured that Ascent has been chosen to operate the first 4 Points by Sheraton hotel in the capital. The franchise granted by Marriott International, together our professional operating background and extensive knowledge, sets the hotel up for long-term success. And according to Polet Holding, CEO, which is Khan Yursel, he says, we are delighted to welcome 4 Points by Sheraton to our mixed concept Duna Pearl. Duna Pearl is seen as the city's new centre of attraction. And yeah, this sounds like a very interesting new project that they're building on the Danube, and it's opposite the Margaret Islands, so not far from where we do our awards.
Yeah, not far from the CRE awards at the
Yeah.
InterContinental. Well, that's a great location, and anywhere on the anywhere on the Danube. But it seems like Budapest is not a bad place to have a hotel. I imagine with all the business and tourists coming. Yeah.
Yeah, well, it's got beautiful views of the Danube. Bar on the 9th floor, apparently.
Oh, really? Oh,
Yeah.
wow. We'll have to check that out. So, thank you for all watching the Coffee with Craig show this week, and enjoy the weekend. And we hope to see you Monday morning at the Panettone Cafe for the news. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.